So I've been working hard on this Gaze Burville order, and it's just not gone to plan at all. Um, so it was TK's trial day today, and it's probably like, given what had gone on today, probably like the wrong day to do it. And I feel it's that usual like kind of, I feel guilty then because I've not then given someone enough of my time when I should have had more of my time, and that's not really fair. Um, so that's tricky, and I don't know why. Like at the time, what happened was, I, like we planned out this order, and the idea was I was meant to be finished it yesterday, but the reality is I probably didn't start it a lot earlier enough, and I thought, one day was going to be long enough to make all the required parts. And I think, again, if it had been aluminium, that would have been the case, but stainless steel is just such a different beast. I just really struggled with it. So I broke two 12mm end mills, which were our last two. We had no more left after that. I broke four chamfer mills, and again run out of chamfer mills. And I did some workarounds, but without the without the chamfer mill, it's a bit difficult to kind of finish the part. I've got an idea on how I can do it. I'm going to use a really, really small drill and drill out the holes that I need to, and I think I can use that as my workaround. So it's bank holiday Monday on Monday for the King's coronation, and me and Mark have both decided to work. We're the only two that are working. So I'm going to come in first thing and finish the hinges that I need, and then switch and do the last few parts. And my plan is that I think by sort of like about 11 o'clock-ish, something like that, I'll have completed those lights. That's what I honestly believe. I can't see why not if I use these workarounds. So I need to come in with a fresh head though, because I'm just a bit like, and then I couldn't get the router going properly since we broke one of our end mills. I bought some new end mills, and I bought them smaller and didn't realise that we didn't have any collets. I thought they used ER11 or ER16 collets. Turns out they don't. It uses some sort of, I think they use Makita collets or something like that. So I need to get the right collet for that. And just generally just a bit of a struggle really. Not particularly great. And like I say, I mean today, it was meant to be more about this it's sort of like induction, kind of like first day, etc. And TK did great. He took some really good, lots of B-roll, lots of bits of A-roll, some footage, etc. And he did what he could do with what he had, and I feel that, I really do. Sometimes that's the challenge. The challenge we have. And my challenge constantly is time. I'd say when we're running on the Nakamura, when we're running things like aluminium, etc., it runs a lot better. That was the other thing as well. We had the wrong threading inset in for a while, so now I've got to scrap loads of parts. So that's fun. Not great at all. So just a few things to kind of contemplate really, and decide how we're going to go forward. And I've got lots and lots and lots to do this weekend. So I don't know if I'm going to get through everything that I want to get through, but we shall see. Anyway, we'll see you later. See you on Monday.